All right, guys, how's everyone doing? I've been sick for the last 2 weeks, so I really haven't came out here to do a video. I got the mic set up. I got some new lighting stuff, got some new sound panels, shit like that. But I really haven't been able to vape due to me being sick. I could vape, I just chose not to. So I have nothing to review for you today, but today we're going to be going over my favorite vape shops, online vape shops. The criteria for this is going to be specifically online, nothing that has a store, so places like Mountain Vapors run by Ryan Hall.
Welcome back to the best vape shop on the internet.
I'm not going to be doing anything involving him because he has a physical store as well. Same thing with Jay Hayes' store, other people's stores. I'm just going to be sticking to purely popular online stores. And then after this will be the really interesting video where I go over the stores I absolutely hate. Can't wait to do that one.
Hey everyone, it's me, Jesus. Government and Big Pharma are working together to lie to you and keep you addicted to cigarettes. Enjoy the video, and remember to subscribe to my buddy Brandon here at What's in the Box.
All right, so in last place, but still on the list, is Direct Vapor. Now, the pros of the store is they do have things early, pretty much like right when they come out. You can pre-order a lot, and they have generally good prices, but they don't have the best prices of them all. Now, their store layout is not the best. It's not that it's hard to navigate. It's just not as pretty, and it's just not as user-friendly as other stores. They do have several selections as well as I believe for CBD and stuff like that. If you're not interested in any nicotine type vaping, they have things like that. But they kind of fall short in some categories. So let's say if you're looking for batteries, can't get them here. If you're looking, the way they set up things is kind of like how Chinese stores set up. So you have the RDAs, the RTAs, the tanks, stuff like that, but they're all in one section. And I don't know if they've updated since the last time I've been there as of this video, but it's very hard to get something if you just want a bottom feeder squonker instead of just looking up all RDAs, whether they're bottom feeders or not, or are all RTAs and RDTAs kind of like in the same spot. They don't have the separation of categories. So that's why I'm not putting them anywhere higher on the list. All right, next on the list is My Vapor Store. The reason they're here is they are pretty much exactly the same as Element Vape. A lot of companies copied Element Vape. My Vapor Store and Vapor DNA, I kind of want to put them in the same category. So instead of the next category, I think I'm going to put Vapor DNA here too. They're just slightly better than Element Vape, and here's why. Same as everything I said before. Shipping time's exactly the same. My Vapor Store does have a extra pro, which is they have more US warehouses than Element Vape, so they are able to sometimes get things out quickly, but that's only if it's something popular that you're already planning on getting. Now, for Vapor DNA, the pro for them would be that they do have slightly better prices and they do have a wider selection. If you just go on, just slightly wider. They don't have like a magnificent selection where you can just get anything. But certain things where Element Vape lacks, like Vapor DNA would make up for it. So essentially, if you're using Element Vape, Vapor DNA is probably like the second site you use the most, or vice versa. You know, they're kind of interchangeable. If Element Vape is lacking in the accessories department, Vapor DNA would be excelling in the accessories department, while Element Vape might have different things for you. Now, I believe they do sell batteries. I do not suggest buying batteries from them. You're still able to, but I go to 18650battery.com. I think that's what they're called. Are they called that? I don't even know what they're called. Actually, forget what I just said. Don't go to my battery site because I can't even remember the name. I'll put a subtitle right here if I remember the name. I'm not sure if what their name was. But basically, yeah, they have pretty good sites. Everything's generally the same. They're just a slight bit cheaper and have slightly more accessories, drip tips, things like that. In mods, they're generally the same. They might have something for pre-order or before it comes out, but that's really about it. All right, and second on the list will be Vaporl. I don't know how to pronounce their name, but they are a good store. Vaporl. I'll put the name below, and of course, I'll show screenshots of the store. Now, they are a great store. The cons for them are shipping times are super long. They're not like the longest times compared to like 3F Vape and Fast Tech. Of course, those are going to be the longest, but they do make you wait quite a while. They have U.S. warehouses, but they're mainly shipping from their Hong Kong warehouses and Shenzhen, wherever they're from, wherever their warehouses are. And I believe they have Germany warehouses too, but they do take extremely long to ship their product. The pros though, prices, the lowest on the entire internet. No matter what, you will have the lowest price. I can almost guarantee you that they will have the lowest priced for it. Now, they might try and get you with their shipping, but it's very easy to find a coupon for free shipping. Yeah, you just put in a coupon for free shipping, and along with already they have tons of sales all the time. Right now they're having like a spring sale. They have a sale like every month. And really they have the base price. Like I wouldn't doubt that they're making like $3, $3 to $5 off of everything they're selling, because of how low it is. I really don't understand why they're not more popular than other stores. Cause like, honestly, they're the cheapest period, except for maybe 3F Vape. But then again, if you buy something new that's supposed to be popular, 3F Vape is one of the most expensive stores. So the only time they're cheap is when you're buying a clone or when you're buying, something else like that. But at this store, they do not sell clones. That's another reason why I like it a lot. Vaporl, go check it out. Seriously, it's one of my favorite stores. Yeah, great shipping times, accessories. You got everything you need there. And I do think they have a wider selection than Element Vape, and a wider selection than Direct Vapor and Vapor DNA and My Vapor Store. Yeah, they have everything. And if they don't have it, they have a picture and they say you can pre-order this. So that being said, to my number one store, the greatest store in all of the fucking country. I don't know because it's globally. But My V Pro. This is absolutely the best store. Shipping speeds, probably one of the fastest that you're gonna get unless you're shipping from a US locally based, unless you're not in the US, but a locally based business that's next to you. This is gonna have the fastest shipping speeds coming from China to outside to the US. Obviously, I can't account for like Australia or parts of Europe. I live in the US. So for US, I guess this whole list is kind of for US because everything's going to change when you go to a different country. But in the US, the fastest shipping times that you're going to find from an online retailer from China. Again, they have everything. Their selection is huge. They literally have everything just like Vaporl. They have the pre-orders, which they give you very great prices. They have coupons going on all the time. They have sales going on pretty much every month, just like Vaporl. Their website design is one of the best. Now, Vapor DNA has a really nice website design. This would be somewhat like that. And on top of that, they have a membership. And the membership is, I can't remember because I am not a member, but the membership is like you pay a certain amount a month, you get free shipping. It's kind of like Amazon Prime. They basically took Amazon and got Amazon Prime. So you get the free shipping, quick shipping. You get like extra customer support because I think they send you to they put you on another tier and you get to speak to somebody else. And then you get sales on things. You get like 10% off or 5% off of every product. So you're constantly just stacking stuff. And if you have the membership, it's definitely great. If you don't, it's still a great store. I still buy from there all the time because I always know what I'm getting. I always trust it. I get it fast. When I'm doing the reviews, I'm generally ordering from Vaporl just because it's cheaper. But when I need something right away, like when something comes out, I hit up My V Pro and it's here and pretty much within the week. That way I can get the review out really quick. Sorry, still sick. But yeah, My V Pro is the greatest store. I'll put up links in the description for all these stores. Actually, no, can I do that? I don't think I can do that. Yeah, I don't think I'm able. Sorry, never mind. Won't be putting up links in the description for these stores. But I will be showing like screen caps, and I'll write their name as a subtitle somewhere below. But yeah, it's a great store. It's definitely my favorite store. All right, guys. So that's gonna do it for today. I would like to apologize for my absence. It's just while I'm sick, I can't really vape. Yeah, and I've also want to apologize to the people who won the previous contest. I've been having so many problems with the store. I'm not gonna say which store it is, because they're on this list. They're one of my favorite stores. But I've been having problems with them. But that's not their fault. That's my fault because I was trying to order to send to different locations, 4 different locations. And then I guess they didn't get that. And then they were sending it to one location. So then I had to change that and all this stuff. And then they were sending, so all the gunmetal ones, they were sending black ones. And I was like, no, that's gunmetal. And it's just been a huge problem. It's currently shipping and it's gonna get to you guys. They're not giving me a form. I only got one shipping request, whatever it's called, the tracking number. It's just, I feel like I'm confusing them with this, but I mean, you guys, the reason I didn't mention this on the list is because I'm sure you guys aren't sending out products to different places. You're shipping to yourself. And to myself, I never had problems with them. It's just messing up sending them to different people. But yeah, so that's about it. Subscribe, do those things, like the like, and yeah. All right.